Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do hello world in Ruby. And because that's going to be a ridiculously short video, I'm also going to show you how to say hello to whatever someone else has inputted in Ruby. So it's going to be a two-part video. So I'm going to get into it. So hello world is just this. Simply puts and then hello world. That just outputs it onto the screen. So that's simple enough. Now, I'm going to do where you enter something, when someone enters a name and you say hello to them. So you can say put hello, and we're not going to say their name, we'll just put a space, and then we just say their name, okay? So name equals gets. So the variables are almost the wrong way around in Ruby than it is to Python. So the name is the variable name, and gets what you're inputting. So it's not like input equals this as it is in Python. So it's the opposite way around. And then we can say puts hello plus name. Let's ask what your name is. What's your name? So then we'll say gets and then hello plus name. So it's not very complicated, so let's click run. So hello, what's your name? Example. Hello, example. Simple, very simple. Ruby is almost as simple as Python in this regard. And that's it. I'm gonna do hello world in a few different languages. I've already done some like a year or two ago. So those are really old videos, so I want to update some of them and add new languages. So that's the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Go to my Instagram to check out tech programming news and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the end of the video.